equation of a circle is all the points that are the same distance, and the special word that we use in geometry is equidistant, all the points that are equidistant from the center. So HK is the center of our circle, and XY is just a point on our circle. So now that we know that this is a circle, this length between HK and XY is actually what length in a circle? Raise your hand if you know. Somebody already said it. Radius. Yes, Emily. Abby. Radius.
I'm right here.
Yes, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's the radius. So I can replace D with R. And we are almost to the standard form of the equation of a circle. There's one thing left to do. And this is something that you would have done in algebra class, but we haven't done much in here. So if we had this equation, and I wanted to get rid of that radical, I wanted to get rid of the square root part, how would you do that in an equation? Somebody besides Abby. So think. Reagan.
Multiply by the square root.
Okay, kind of almost that. So let's think about it like this. What if we had 16 is equal to x squared, like we did with the Pythagorean theorem? Well, we would take, Abby, we take the square root of both sides. Hannah, we take the square root of both sides, right?
Mm-hmm.
But what we have is something a little bit different. What we have is the square root of 16 is equal to x. And I want to get back to where I was to start with. So how would I get rid of the square root of 16? It would be the opposite of that.
Square it.
Square it, what it says. Emily says. So yeah, we're going to square it. So we're going to square both sides of that equation. So we're going to square R, and we're going to square all of this. But what happens when we square all of that? What goes away?
The radical.
The radical goes away, exactly. And so now it's gone, and now we have the perfect form of the standard equation of a circle. All that's gone.
Even the square?
Even the square. So the square root and the square, they cancel each other out. Just like if you have addition and subtraction, they cancel one another out, right? Or multiplication and division, well, square root and squaring cancel one another out. And so what we did just now is we derived means figure out, we figured out the equation of a circle, standard form. So R is in it, and X and Y are in it, because remember, every single point on this circle is an X and a Y that's part of that circle. And H and K are going to be what points from the circle? H and K were what in our picture? The center. So the center is HK, our radius is R, and X and Y are going to just be X and Y. And so H and K are going to be filled in, and R is going to be filled in